This plantation, normal plants you have to put in, you have a problem. Because you have to bend and do it every day, and it takes 10,000 plants in acre, takes about 3-4 days. He made a small gadget, just see how he does it. That's all. There is no bending and very productive things, very easy to do it. We have 6.5 lakh villages and we have no cranes in the village, and we are very happy over it. I don't know. There's no manifesto. No government says, no party says that I'll give crane to each village. I hope they deserve. I'm sure they deserve it. You agree with me? And Parkal, one guy, Mahipal, he made a crane. The green part is a crane attached to tractor. It lifts 15 feet and about 1,000 kgs. And since the tractor is available, the cost of crane only 8,000 rupees. And one crane in the village can provide employment, but happiness to the people, that no waste of waiting for the people, no able bodied, not available, all the things you understand it. What unmet needs? The unmet need is met by villagers. We have not thought of it. Why is the point? I think we have to debate much more. Why so many ways?